Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today we will present the Group 7 Country English presentation. Let me introduce my group. Introduce my name. My name is Lalu Abiyu Arista Widiawan, and IT 2109-1935.
And then my name is Dian Ari Mutikani, 2209-1993.
And me, Helen Islami, 2209-1900.
Okay, next the presentation. The flag. The national flag of the United Kingdom is the Union Jack, also known as the Union flag. Blue background with a red cross of Santa Georgius, patron saint of England. It gets in white superimposed over a diagonal red cross of Santa Patrick, patron saint of Ireland, superimposed over a white cross of Santa Andrew, patron saint of Scotland. Okay, the location. English is a country that is part of the United Kingdom. Its land border with Wales, who is west, and Scotland to its north, while Ireland is located across the Irish Sea, so is west and northwest, and the Celtic Sea lies to its southwest. It is separated from continental Europe by the North Sea to the east and the English Channel of the south. The next, the population. The population of United Kingdom in 2023 is estimated to be 67,736,802. Its mid-year, the UK population is equivalent to 0.84% of the total world population. The UK ranked number 21 on the list of countries and their densest by population. The next language. English is spoken throughout the UK, but it's not the only official national language. You may also occasionally hear Welsh in Wales, Gaelic and Scot in Scotland. The next, the current. The pound sterling or just pound (GBP) is the current of the United Kingdom. The next, the cultural festival. Throwing the Colour is a parade held to celebrate the birthday of the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth II. During this festival, Queen Elizabeth II will ride a live horse-drawn carriage. Not only that, you can also watch a row of attractions from British Air Force fighter plane in the air. If you are interested in visiting this festival, you can come to Santa James Park. The next presentation will be read by Jihan.
And then the next cultural festival, Santa George Day. The next unique festival that only exists in the UK is Santa George Day. This celebration usually takes place in April, where British citizens party to celebrate the legendary British hero Santa George. This Santa George Day festival is usually filled with a variety of fun activities, such as a large medieval-style meal. To the most interesting one is dragon hunting. This dragon hunt is a theatrical performance about Santa George. It's very interesting to watch. And then the next traditional ceremony, Queen's birthday. Queen Elizabeth II's birthday, it is actually April 21st, but it's been a traditional since 1748 for the state to celebrate her king or queen's birthday on the second Saturday in June. This is because June will be a good time so the royal family can celebrate their birthday with civilian while it is sunny and cozy. The grand ceremony, known as dropping the colour, takes place in London with a central celebration at Buckingham Palace, with the whole royal family attending the celebration. And then food, Scott egg. The name is Scott egg, which is a dish of boiled egg wrapped in a meat cooked with the flour. So after being covered with the ingredients, the egg will be deep fried until crispy. Cornish pasty. Cornish pasty is a pasty dish that contains beef, potato, rutabagas, and onion. Shepherd pie. Shepherd pie is a pie variant that contains minced lamb, not just meat. The top of this pie is covered with a thick layer of mashed potato. Drink. Earl Grey Earl Grey is a tea-like drink traditionally made with black tea flavor with bergamot oil. Ginger beer. Ginger beer is a alcoholic drink made from fermented sugar and water. Bramble. This is cocktail made for dried gin, lemon juice, sweet blackberry liquor, sweet syrup, and crushed ice. The next will be read by Helen.
Traditional clothes. In general, the typical clothing of England, Ireland, Scotland, and Wales has something in common, and it is actually quite difficult to distinguish the typical clothing of some of these countries. The colors and motif of the clothes are the same, and the shape is also identical. The next, traditional dance. Even held during my festival and holiday, such as my day and Whitman Day, often feature a group of dance wearing veils and rhythmically waving handkerchiefs or the stick. London. London City, a memory of Collab Street and James, and you are about to revel and night of it every time you are over here. It is location in the southern area of Brighton, and the next Cambridge, location in Eastern England on River Cambridge, hosts the globally recognized University of Cambridge. And the next, Durham. One of England's many cathedral cities, Durham lies on the banks of River Wear and its location in northeastern England and Bath, situation in Bath and northeast Somerset in the United Kingdom, but is home to some of the most remarkable Georgian architecture in the world.
And then two famous people, Elizabeth II, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary, 21 April 1926 until 8 September 2022, was Queen of the United Kingdom. She was pregnant of 32 realms, stage over the course of her line remained of 15 realms by the third death. Of over 70 years is the longest any British monarch and the longest verified reign of any female head of state history. And then the next, One Direction. Often shortened to 1D, are an English-Irish pop boy band formed in London in 2010. The group is composed of Niall Horan, Liam Payne, Harry Styles, Louis Tomlinson, and Zayn Malik until his departure from the group in March 2015. They became one of the best-selling boy group of all the time before going on a hiatus in 2016.
Okay, the end the presentation. Nice to meet you.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you too.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ma, gimana?